Misha Mihodruni. I studied Irish in St Malachy's High School in Castlewellan, and it was one of the best decisions I ever made. Irish is our language and it's part of who we are. I still use it today, and now it's your turn. Choose Irish for GCSE. Gura Mayogat.
It's Misha Conor Glass. I studied Irish in Sabasa Mahara, and it was of great benefit to me as I was able to use our native language when listening to Fowler Murray Cup for Derry and the Macquarie Cup for Mahara. The Irish language is part of our tradition and identity, so keep it alive. Now it's your turn. Choose Irish at GCSE.
Díodh, is Misha Ifani Chassaja, agus buidlam sibh a bhailú a drá na Gaeilge. Dói amhain han sin a dheanú na chun Gaeilge a réanú ar scoil, sin han staidir a dheanú de GCSE Gaeilge, agus beidir an sin A-level Gaeilge. Díreach mar an Misha.
Is Misha Brendan Rogers, who mé ar scoil a College de Fadling, Maharaha. I studied Irish, and I'd encourage you to study Irish as well. So please select Irish as a GCSE subject this year to further enhance our native language. Gura Mayogat.
Is Misha Barry O'Hagan. Studying Irish at school was one of the best decisions I ever made. Irish is our language, it's a part of us, it's our culture. I use Irish whenever I can. Now it's your turn. Choose Irish at GCSE.
Díodh is Misha Maeve Kelly. I chose to study Irish at GCSE level at my secondary school at Cross and Passion College. Choosing Irish was the best decision that I ever made. Irish is our language and it's part of who we are. I try and use Irish as much as I can and whenever I can. Now it's your turn to choose to study Irish. Gura Mayogat.
Is Misha Neil McManus. I studied Irish at Garntar, and now is your opportunity to begin your journey with our native Irish language. I encourage you to select Irish as one of your GCSE subjects. Tus mai Latin Hebra, Gura Mayogat.
This Misha Keir McFoy. Studying Irish at school was one of my best decisions. Irish is our language, it's part of who we are. I try to use it whenever I can, it's great. Now it's your turn, choose Irish at GCSE.
It's Misha Niall O'Murrigan. Choosing Irish as part of my GCSEs was one of the best decisions I ever made. I now enjoy teaching parts of Irish language to my primary school class. Now it's your turn to help grow our language as we move into the future by choosing Irish as part of your GCSEs. Gura Mayogat.
Is Misha Durbin Agade. Studying Irish at school was one of the best decisions that I ever made. Irish is our language, it's part of who we are. I try and speak it every day, so now it's your turn to choose Irish GCSE. Gura Mayogat.
It's Misha Podrick McGillivray. Learning Irish at school was one of the best decisions I ever made. Irish is our language and it's part of who we are, and I speak Irish every day. So now it's your turn to choose Irish for GCSE.
It's Misha Carl McKay. I studied Irish at St Patrick's Mahara, and it was one of my best decisions. Irish is our language, it's part of who we are. Now it's your turn. Choose Irish for GCSE. Gura Mayogat.